Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel Healthwise TV. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important topics when it comes to overall health, and that is digestive health. Having a healthy gut is crucial for not only digestion but also for the proper functioning of the immune system and mental health. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks that can help you maintain a healthy gut. Tip number 1. Eat a diet rich in fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining good digestive health, as it helps to keep things moving smoothly in the digestive tract. You can find fiber in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. So, make sure you're incorporating plenty of these foods into your diet. Tip number 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep the digestive system functioning properly. It also helps to flush out toxins from the body. So, make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip number 3. Manage your stress levels. Stress can have a negative impact on digestive health, so it's important to find ways to manage your stress. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises are great ways to reduce stress levels. Tip number 4. Take a probiotic supplement. Probiotics are live bacteria that are good for the digestive system. They help to promote a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. You can find probiotic supplements at your local health food store. Tip number 5. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar and unhealthy fats, which can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Tip number 6. Get plenty of exercise. Exercise helps to keep the digestive system functioning properly. It also helps to reduce stress levels, which, as we mentioned earlier, is important for digestive health. Tip number 7. Chew your food properly. Chewing your food thoroughly helps to break down the food into smaller particles, making it easier for the digestive system to process. It also helps to stimulate the production of saliva, which contains digestive enzymes that start the digestion process in the mouth. So, take your time and chew your food properly before swallowing. And that's it for our tips and tricks for maintaining a healthy gut. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall health and well-being, so make sure you're taking care of your digestive health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments section about which tip you found most useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.